Wix versus WordPress 2024. Which one is the better one? And in this video, we're going to find out that one exactly. Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Now, at first, let's start with Wix. As you can see that right over here, it says create a free website or manage your business. So after we head over to Wix, it's going to ask us to log in. So let's say we click on continue with Google, and from there we choose one of our emails to log in right over here and let it load for some time. As you can see, once it loads up, it says create your first site. So we click on create new site, and then it's going to provide us with AI. So we can either do AI or we can head over to just the basic setup. So let's see the basic setup. So far it does seem user friendly, but we can see that obviously when we go more in depth. And what kind of website are you creating? So now let's say we just want a portfolio. That's what we're going to click on, and then let's say it's a digital media portfolio, and then we click on next. So based on that, they should give us a website. So let's say this one is just website, and we click on next. And then as you can see, what do you want to add? So you can do a portfolio, Instagram feed, blog, video. Let's say we have chat, and then we have pricing plans, basically all of these things that you can just choose from, and then click on next. After that, we're going to go to dashboard right over here so that we can see how good everything is, what are the features that they offer, and then later on we'll compare it to WordPress to see which one is the better one. So far so good. It does look user friendly. So now as you can see, we are in the dashboard. At first they say update your site type, we did it, and then they ask you to connect a custom domain, which we can do, and then add a project, design your website, get found on Google, which is also nice. And then they have all these pricing plans, portfolio, subscriptions, loyalty and referral programs, and the communication, where you can see there's a bunch of options available. Automations, let's see what kind of automations they provide. So they have, okay, notifying customers, which is good. And then they also have like automized email, and now how to create drip campaigns, which is a good one. A lot of people want campaigns, and you can also just set up a new automation by clicking on here, just choosing what you want to do. So there's this bunch of options. And then we have marketing and SEO. As you can see, they have SEO, email marketing, Facebook and Instagram ads. So basically, if you want it, they have it, that kind of things. And then analytics, which would be the traffic overview, and then real time, and the marketing behavior reports, everything like that. So far it does look good. Now let's head over to WordPress and compare. So we click on wordpress.com right over here, and let's see, it says get started. So we click on that one, and then let's say we click on continue with Google, and then choose our email account to log into. And let's see how user friendly this is in comparison to Wix, because that is what we want to tell you in this video. So now it says choose your domain. So let's just go with one for now, ecom build xyz. Let's say that one, and then we click on select. Now this is free for the first year, or if you want like absolutely free one, then you need to get one which is ecombuildxyz.wordpress.com. So let's say we select that one, and then we click on continue, or choose my domain later. I'll do that because I do not want to waste a domain. So now as you can see that in the beginning they provide you with the payment option. So the free one has beautiful themes, unlimited pages, unlimited user, time post, and all these things. And then the $4 has everything in free, plus free domain for 1 year, ad free experience, extremely fast DNS, and then email, everything. And then they have everything in starter plus all these things, as you can see. So now let's go with the free version, but obviously you're going to choose one that supports you the best. And let's say what are your goals. So let's say we just want to get a website built quickly, but this is premium. So we click on promote myself, let's say that one, and then we click on next, let it load. Now as you can see, they provide you with all these templates. These are the premium ones, and these are the free ones that you can choose from. Okay, so let's say we go to this one, which is a free one, and you can see that you could do the default, or you could just try the different variations they have. Let's just go with this one, and then we click on this one and decide later. So let's do that. So as you can already tell that in Wix, we did have the setup done, but the website wasn't built completely. But in WordPress, they just give you everything like site title and everything. And then you can select a design, choose a plan, set your site and everything. So let's click on launch your site just like so. And your website should be launched. There you go. It says your site is live, and now we are in the dashboard. As you can see, we have my home, which will also provide you like all the step-by-step things as they did in Wix, and then statistics. As you can see that how many visitors, views, likes, comments, all these things, upgrades, my mailbox, post media, comments, feedback, and then they also have WooCommerce. Now, here's the actual comparison. When it comes to plugins, WordPress provides you with that, but Wix does not. So, if you are someone who is just starting something and you want something very simple, very quick, and you don't have much to plan, Wix is the better option. But if you want to scale your business or scale whatever it is that you're using, if you want to change it, have more flexibility, customize it completely as your need, in that case, WordPress would be the better for the long term because they just provide with you with so many options. There's nothing you can go wrong from here. Like there's everything that you need and that you can choose from, and simply Wix does not provide that many options. So for me, if I had to choose one, I would definitely go with WordPress. So this is it for today's video. Let us know in the comment section which one you will be choosing so that others who are facing the same problem as you, they also get that help. And this is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.